Alrighty guys, here we have the flap steaks. We're gonna make flap steak tacos out of these tonight. So these are about 4 pounds of steak. We're hitting them with a little bit of kosher salt at first, some fresh black pepper. We're gonna hit it with some California garlic. You can use any garlic that you like. We're gonna get these ready for that marinade later on. Remember, put salt to your taste, but remember the marinade has quite a lot of salt, so you don't want to go too heavy. Just like that, hitting both sides. Remember, salt, pepper, and garlic to taste. Alright, we're going to put them in a separate bowl. Or you can use it in a Ziploc bag if you want to. So we got here some soy sauce. About a 1/4 cup. A little bit of olive oil. Also about, maybe not even a 1/4 cup, maybe a little less than a 1/4 cup. Fresh lemons. 2 fresh lemons. You could also use orange. I didn't have any oranges, but orange will work amazing. Perfect, you can use either or. Alright, we're gonna chop off some garlic real quick. Excuse my chopping skills. I'm working on it, okay? Please don't make fun of me. Alright, so we're gonna put that in, mix it, set it aside, and get it ready for the grill in a few hours. Alright, so here we're chopping up some cilantro, putting some garlic in there. For that Salsa Verde, we got 1 lime. You want to cut 1 avocado. This one was the greenest avocado I've had to cut in my entire life. Please excuse how it came out. Usually just cut it and throw it in. Throw some sour cream in there, we're going to blend. Also some little bit of olive oil to get like really nice Mediterranean flavor to it. And that's it. Alright, here they go on the grill. You want to put these in at a low temperature, nothing crazy, about 225, 250. I'm putting them on the hotter side of the grill at 250. So we're just gonna reverse sear these. We're gonna let them get some of that smoke in there. We're using oak wood, but you can use any type of wood that you have available in your area. You just want to flip these about 1 time, twice, it's fine, and just let them do their thing. When you're ready to reverse sear them, put that grill hot, and it's time to go. Alright guys, to get the best tender cut, you're going to want to cut these with the grain first, just like that. And then we're going to cut against the grain. Those are going to be the best, most tender slices of flat meat you'll ever have in your life. guys, so here we have it, the flat steak tacos, flat meat tacos, whatever you want to call it. These are super easy to make. Make it any day of the week. You can do this at home, you can do this at work, you can do this in the beach, outdoors, camping, whatever you want to do it. So basically we reverse seared the flat meat. As you can see, perfection. I love it like that. It goes from medium well to like medium rare. But that's perfect. That's as good as it gets for me. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna just prepare these tacos for you. Super easy, as you will see. All right, we'll grab our corn tortilla, lay it flat there. We're gonna grab that green salsa that we made. Just spread it. All right, super easy. We're gonna grab the sour cream spicy mayo. We didn't have mayo, so we use sour cream. Still amazing. Definitely will have a bite. A bite? Gotta be a kick. Alright. I'm gonna grab some carnita. Big old chunk one right here. Lay it flat on the middle. Some cilantro. Awesome. Never fails. Put all of it there. Queso blanco. And that's pretty much it. Guys, this is it. Got cold beer next to me. You can get any type of beer you want. I only had Bud Light. I wanted a Modelo, but it's completely fine. Just go for it. It was crazy. You feel the freshness of the cilantro, the cheese, a little tang to it from spicy mayo, spicy sour cream. That green sauce is so good as a base layer. Oh my god, you guys have to try this. Going in for more. This is insane. Any day of the week, at any time, you can do this. This was USDA choice flat meat. It was nothing crazy. Regular Costco flat meat. You can do this anywhere. We smoked it. You can do it with char. You can do it in the gas grill. You can even do it in the oven if you want to. The marinade, it's insane. You get any meat that's tough, and that marinade for sure, will make it softer. You don't have to tenderize it. You know, 1, 2, 3 hours. If you want overnight, if you want to leave it half the day over the fridge, that'll be perfect. This is insane. Thank you for watching. Like, comment, subscribe. Please let me know any future videos you guys want to see. Stay safe. Take care.